Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on Doordash, your delivery address. It's really easy and simple. So if you're using it on the website, you just want to click on the existing address, which is going to be on the upper right-hand corner of the website. And then just click on the address from the list of addresses provided. This will be your default address. If you want to add a new address, just enter the address in the search bar and select the address from the populated results. You're going to get results coming in. Just select from one of them, and if it's applicable, just add in the apartment number or suite or any other delivery instructions, then click on save. So this will actually become your new delivery address, guys. Okay, if you want to remove an address, you will see next to the address on the right hand side, you'll see an X. You just want to click on the X that is located there, and it's literally that easy and simple. So if you're a mobile user for iOS, what you want to do, guys, you just want to tap on the account at the top, tap on addresses, then you want to click on the address from the list of selected addresses provided. This is now your new default address, okay? But if that is not applicable for you, you want to add it manually, you can just enter the address in the search bar and choose the one that actually applicable for you. And you just want to add in the apartment number or suite or any other delivery instruction, then just click on save address, and this will now become your new default address. And basically you do the same thing for Android, guys. You do the same exact process, and you have basically been able to change your address on DoorDash. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you have any help, need any help, and I'll make sure to answer it to you in the comments. Until next time, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.